Easing measures, Alberta goes ahead with its path forward, but will the growing number of variant COVID-19 strain cases change that direction in the coming weeks? Good evening, I'm Tara Overholt. An important day for restaurants, gyms, and young people who can now get back to some activities. However, Alberta's top doctor is concerned over the number of new variant cases, but also confident in AHS's ability to stop the spread.
I am grateful for the work that our lab has done so that we are able to capture the majority, again, if not all of these positive cases, able to screen them and able to do our more intensive contact tracing, more intensive case investigation, and more intensive containment measures so that we limit the chance that these might spread further.
25 new variant cases of COVID-19 reported since Friday for a total now of 96. 46 of them without a link to travel. While they make up 0.5% of all cases on a given day, these strains are more contagious and some research has said have more severe outcomes.
I know some cases with infection with the variant strain have been admitted to hospital. I don't know how many exactly.
While we see an increase in variant cases, the overall number of new cases is low. 269 new cases were reported from 6,200 tests for a positivity rate of 4.3%. 432 people are in hospital, 76 of them in the ICU, well below the 600 benchmark number needed for phase 1 reopening. 5 deaths were reported over the last 24 hours for a total now of 1,710. 313 schools are on alert or outbreak. 120,000 doses of vaccine have been administered, with 29,000 Albertans now fully immunized. Asked about the late addition of youth sports teams' practices being added to today's reopening plan, Dr. Deena Hinshaw says it's all about balance.
There are many factors that are considered in these decisions, such as the impact of current restrictions on children's mental health, and the important role physical activity plays in children's development.
While Hinshaw asks all Albertans to continue to follow the public health orders, RCMP have now charged a pastor who has defied these orders. James Coates, the pastor of the Grace Life Church, was issued a violation ticket, arrested and released for having his services over capacity and not adhering to physical distancing.